Hi, I'm Rosalie, and in this small video I would like to show you how you can create a booking survey in your Booxi services. First, let's go into our services section. Then select the service where you would like to add a survey. Go into your service details. The booking survey has two different options, a single question or a simple survey. Today we're going to look at how to create a simple survey. Type in a first open question for your user to answer with a free text. Add a second question and position your mouse underneath to add checkbox answers. You can replace the choices text, remove choices, or add as many as you want, always with a plus sign in front of each choice. Add a third question, and again position your mouse underneath to add a drop-down list answer. Each choice must start with a hyphen sign, and again you can remove or add as many choices as you want. Add a fourth question, using the radio group answer. Each choice must start with a hashtag sign. Just like the drop-down list, the customer will be able to select only one choice. Add one last question, using the range answer, which will allow the customer to reply with a value between 0 and 99, which are the range values. Add an asterisk character in front of each question that is mandatory. Now, click on Preview to see how your survey looks like and verify that the choices work as expected. Don't forget to click on Save. To see your customers' answers, go in your calendar and in your customer's reservation and click on Edit Survey. This concludes our quick overview of how to create a small survey in Booxi. Check out more videos to get an in-depth look at specific features. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.